Hi everyone, I'm Casey with Barnett Schoolhouse. I'm going to do a little video on the Teacher Pay Teacher site and how you can get started there and work your way up to getting your shop going. Then I'll have a few more videos to follow on how to create products and develop those along with their cover pages and create some ideas. So I am here on the website teacherspayteachers.com. I've already got my login information saved. So I'm just going to log in here. Oh, maybe. Okay. I'm going to relog that in. All right. So as you can see, I'm just showing you literally everything. That's okay. Don't mind a bit. This is my dashboard. This is where you can see everything, like your earnings, etc., and how well it's going. So I'll go ahead and show you around, and then we'll come back to the dashboard. So over here, under your name, you have all of this to go off of. My favorite places I usually use a lot of is obviously the dashboard. My product listings and my product statistics is where I see how well things are doing that I've posted. And then obviously you can click my store and you can see your store from there. So let's go back to my name. Over here you have your account balance. They have a VA section now where you can assign veterans. You can assign virtual assistants to your accounts, a virtual assistant dashboard for yourself. The TPT class fund and school access, things like that, are extra ways that your products can be sold to schools and things of that nature. Obviously, you have your purchases, favorite sellers. Then in the sales section where I was talking about, you have your dashboard, sales reports, your easel listings. Now, easel is the part where you can go in and make your PDF files more digital and Google friendly so that when someone purchases them, they also have that option to use them digitally. Over here is communicating with your customers, manage questions and answers, manage comments. You can create an email, sort of like a note to your followers. And then here is where you can promote your shop. Start with sale, promote on TPT, newsletter, these things right here. I'm just going to say this. I've never, ever been featured. No. I had one thing. No, I've been a seller for 12 years. I had one video, like a how, I'm just straight up honest here. I had one how-to video. It went almost, it rolled on the main page and it blew it up. Like it went crazy and it was free. It was fine. But I got so many um, ratings on that. It was amazing how it blew that up just rolling across the main screen. I'll show you here what I'm talking about. So here on this main part, it's where it actually rolled. One of these sections, maybe a few years ago, was different, but it rolled through like as a suggestion to people, and it was amazing. So yes, that was pretty cool. Now this is the main page of Teachers Pay Teachers. You've got your free under $5. You can set your price ranges that you want by the grade level, by the subject. There's so much to choose from. It's amazing. Formats, you can pick what format you want, if you want it to be PDF or if you want it to be like Google friendly, Google Drive friendly. All right, obviously that's your cart. I have something in there that I've got my eye on, and yes, it's fonts. I can't help myself. I'm a font fanatic. Okay, so let's go into I'm going to edit a product. So let's go to my product listings. Now these are my, just back off here. These are my listings that I have. Some of them are inactive because I kind of quit doing virtual assistant stuff through this, and then You can just kind of see the grayed out ones. But these are some of my listings, actually all of my listings. And I'm going to go to this boho theme testing bulletin board thingy, and we're going to edit it. You can do that or quick edit. I don't want to go like way over the top here, so I'll go just vaguely through this. And then when I come back to this and load a real product, I will show you and teach you from us building one to us putting it on here and to us making it grow. So building, putting it on here, making it grow is like say Pinterest and things. What I may do, yes, we might build a bulletin board. We're okay. I won't tell you the secrets. Okay, I got some ideas. All right, so this is a boho. This is a bulletin board kit, boho themed. I put the product here. It's a zip file because it has a few folders in it. Create your preview. This is what my preview looked like when I loaded it. I'll show you. I know I'm off Teachers Pay Teachers now, but so you had your main cover. I had some information about it here, what they would get inside of it. I'll teach you how to make all this stuff. Then a sample of what the bulletin board could look like. Another sample here. Pretty cool. All right, so once you do that, you go here to the description, and then this is where you talk about it. And I always try to be search engine friendly with the title within the description, like testing is just around the corner, boho theme bulletin board kit. I'm sorry if my voice is scratchy. I've had laryngitis this past week, and it's getting better and coming back. So I try to use boho theme testing and those kind of words inside of the description. Always tell them what they're getting so no one gives you a bad rating. Make sure you're clear. Links to different places of your resources, pricing zone, and the grade levels that it would go with. This one's a little bit easier than doing an actual one that requires Common Core stuff. You can actually select Common Core stuff here. Really cool, but very tedious and does take a lot of time. And if you actually do it properly, you'll get it. So details about it, you test it yours, make it active, submit. Pretty simple. But like I said, that was editing one. When you build one, you load one from scratch. It's very similar, so not anything unusual. I want to show you my product statistics. This is one of my favorite things. It kind of helps me see when I post something how well it's doing. So I go to this, let's do activity, when I posted it, because I want to go to the most recent things I've posted. And then you can kind of see, like, here's the boho theme. I know I keep going to that, but it's the last thing I posted. I've had 17 wish listed, 140 page views. I put a spring one up right here. This one is one of a good example right here of one that went a little further. I actually had posted it on my Instagram and it went bonkers. Got a lot of sales on that one. So this statistics page is really useful and shows you, well, let's look at the sales here. You can see here what you earn from each thing. Now this is just like an overall total from the day, I believe they didn't change this. Yes, from the day that you posted, etc. So pretty cool thing. Your freebies are even counted here. You can see all of that. It's pretty neat. I like it. It helps me see what goes good and what doesn't and what I need to improve upon. The VA section is pretty cool. We can get into that later. I actually don't use that because I am a virtual assistant. So, but I do use it with other ladies' accounts and gentlemen's accounts, and it's pretty cool. Teacher Pay Teacher isn't that hard to navigate. You'll need your My Account section to set up all of your information. Profile. I'll probably update this year. I usually update it every summer. Your payment methods, you're going to need that. Actually, I take that back. I use PayPal for that. Payout method is what I was looking for. They actually started using Hyperwallet. It kind of made me nervous at first because I wasn't sure why they were doing it or what it was. And then I researched a little bit and I was like, okay, this is fun. So basically, they dump they drop, we'll say drop instead of dump, what you earn into Hyperwallet, and it automatically goes into your PayPal. Instead of TPT working through PayPal, they're going through Hyperwallet. I guess PayPal was maybe feeing them too much, maybe a little too high. So they went from there. And then, of course, you have your sales and earnings, your purchase history, favorite sellers, Facebook Pixel. We could get into that later. Um, yeah, so it's pretty neat. I have a huge wish list of things that I absolutely love and would love to get for my classroom. I can't help myself. So like I said, Teachers Pay Teachers is pretty cool. Want to search for something, you go up to search and you can type in ABC. Let's do Countdown to Summer because that's popping up, something popular. And you get all kinds of resources. Boom, boom, boom. Some are free, and if you want to find free or under $5, you, like I said, can click the options and it'll give you all the free ones. Really easy to use, really easy to navigate. Love it. Like I said, let's go back to the dashboard and I'll wrap it up. So dashboard is what you earn. You can actually compare this week, today, whatever. It is May. I do not sell as much in May. I'll say that, unless it's usually my end of the year. Excuse me. Memory books. I sell a lot of those in May. But all the months before that, mediocre. The best months, July, August, and September. Those are your months. So I spent a lot of the summer and May through June working on things. All right. So in this, you can see your traffic, where things come from. I actually set it to today. Let's do this month. Some things come from Pinterest, some things don't. Like you can see here where things have, people have been sent to Teachers Pay Teachers through these different links with my products. Then your marketing section obviously is where you're going to promote, throw a sale. You can throw a sale whenever you want. I only do it usually when the TPT has a sale because you get the most earnings or sales from that because people know about it. Promote, newsletter, like I said, those are kind of hard to get on. You can customize your shop. I'll teach you how to do that. Learn how to grow as a TPT in the TPT University, and then they also have a social media section now where you can submit a post for consideration on their social media page, which is pretty cool. Note to followers, additional information, copyright stuff, their sellers forum. This is great because you can go in there and people talk about the problems they're having, or like with loading things or ideas. They get ideas from each other, so it's pretty cool. I hope you're excited to learn a little bit about Teachers Pay Teachers. It's just really, it's just fun to me when you're first jumping into something new. Um, I can't wait to get you all to where you want to be. I hope this little rundown of how to use Teachers Pay Teachers has helped. Like I said, I do the yearly, I had said this in a video before, I do the yearly fee where I pay the $60 to be like the real top seller deal, so that you get as much earnings as possible, so they don't take as much royalties. If you're a free seller, they'll take a little more royalties. But like I said, once you get rolling, it's worth it, especially if you're selling your resources that are, you know, unique and yours. It's worth it. All right. I'll talk to you all soon. I look forward to seeing you grow.